In our first episode, Ronulus learned to float using our 5-pillar method. Breath control for relaxation and buoyancy, balance to stay stable in the water, spine movements to maintain proper positioning, arm strength to push water downwards, leg suppleness to aid both balance and flotation. At the end of that episode, he discovered something unexpected: the 5 pillars plus another one, in a form of gems. Using these gems, he learned to tread water, though he only needed 3. Controlled breath holding for buoyancy, circular hand movements for sculling to push water down, the eggbeater kick, also known as the asynchronous breaststroke kick, for stability. Treading water can also be done with the flutter kick, since both techniques push water downward. However, if the goal is to keep your head above water, a more spread out position makes it easier to stay afloat, which is why eggbeater is preferred in water polo. Some swimmers naturally coordinate better with one kick over the other. The only way to know which one is for you is to try it. Treading water is useful when you need to talk to someone, to stay aware of what's ahead, and to rest from swimming. That said, if the water is calm and there are no big waves, floating like in episode 1 might be even easier. Ronulus seems to be learning quickly and just escaped the danger, but his next challenge is coming soon. You'll see his next challenge at the end of this video. If you're wondering why we used this method of animation instead of a normal traditional tutorial, click on this secret video not listed anywhere else. See you there. Swim fast.
Whoop.